Good day everyone, welcome to my blog. Today I am going to discuss the life cycle of birds. So let's begin.
So this is the life cycle of bird. We already know that all the birds are starting from egg, right? The development of birds' eggs is a fascinating process. The egg starts as a cell, and development is initiated by hormonal changes within the female's body. First, the cell increases in size, then over a period of a few days, a recognizable yolk is laid down, and after that, it jumps up the embryo. So in this time, the embryo yolk sac supplies food material to the embryo. The amnion, by enclosing the embryo, provides protection. The allantois serves as a respiratory organ, gets minerals from the shell, and handles waste. These temporary organs function within the egg until the time of hatching. So this time in hatching, so on this day, the bird immediately can do little more than open their mouths too big for food. And after that, they become a chick. So in this journey, a chick emerged from a fertile egg after 21 days of incubation. The germinal disc is visible on the surface of the yolk. The development of the chick begins in the single cell formed by the union of two parental cells, egg and sperm, in the process known as fertilization. And after that, they became adults. So this time birds were able to become flying machines largely through the evolutionary gifts of feeders, powerful wings, hollow bones, warm blood, a remarkable respiratory system, and a large, strong heart. These adaptations all boil down to the two prime requirements for any flying machine: high power and low weight.
So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.